In this task, you're going to make a self-assessment of your English skills. When you're learning a language, it's always good to know where you are and where you want to go. We're going to use the syllabus, the criteria for English 6, so that you can get used to the criteria. I know it's written in a quite complex way, and it's not always easy to understand. But do your best to understand it. The first thing that you do is that you copy this document and create a new document so that you have your own Google document, and then you can begin using it. If there is a word that you don't understand and you have looked it up but you still don't understand it, then you can make it as a comment. So, for example, if you don't understand genre, you click on the word and you click on the plus, and then you can write, for example, don't understand, and then comment. And then we can talk about that when we meet. When you have read through everything, you are going to assess where you are. And to be clear, these criteria is mainly going to be used when you finish with the course. So this is what you should know when you finish the course. So on most of these, perhaps, you don't have the skills yet, and then you fill in not yet. For example, on this one. And then you mark the word and you go to överstrykningsfärg and you choose a color. But there might be some of them that you already have the skills. And then you do the same thing here. After you have done all of them and thought about if it's not yet E, C, or an A level, you go to the end of the document and you try to make a summary in your own words. What is it that you're good at? For example, I'm good at speaking. And what is it that you need to improve? For example, writing or grammar or spelling or talking to other people or whatever. So think about what you need to work with the most and perhaps what you need help with, and then you can write that as well. And when you finish with that, you send it in to LAWeb as a Google document, and make sure that you have written kan redigera, so that I can edit and make comments in your document. Good luck, and ask me if you have questions.